Hello guys, let's do a Costco haul. Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Costco haul. We haven't been to Costco in a couple of months because it was the holiday season. During the holiday season, we live off of our pantry and off of my stuff that I stock ahead so that we can put all of our extra money towards holiday gifts for our children. Now that the holiday season is over, we are restocking up on a couple of things that we have ran low on. First thing we have here, everybody needs this. We still do this. We eat salads constantly in our house and on a regular basis. We absolutely love them. I go through one of these easily in a week or less. During the holiday season, we don't go over to Costco and get them. We just get a few things here and there. And I generally only get a package of like 2 of them at the grocery store. And we slow down a little bit on fresh salads during the holiday season because they are a little bit more of an expensive meal. And like I said, we like to put all of our resources into giving our kids a great holiday. So now that the holiday season over, I can go back to salads every other day. We love them, so yay. Next thing I got, we were running low on spices, so I got my California garlic and my taco seasoning. I absolutely love this Spice Island taco seasoning. It's gluten-free. Let's see if I can get you a ingredients list there. Boom. I absolutely love this stuff. So, yay, and I love the prices at Costco. Who doesn't love the prices at Costco? Next thing is Kerrygold. Now, this is one thing we do spend money on. We do not mind paying a little bit more for butter, particularly this butter. It is well worth it. You use less of it than necessary, and it's really, really good for you. And it's from grass-fed cows. Costco used to sell them in 3 8-ounce bars at $6.99 a package, and now you get 4 8-ounce bars, $7.99 a package where I'm at. So that really made me happy. So there's that. And then cottage cheese. My son eats cottage cheese like it's candy. My son is not the biggest sweets eater or treat eater. He would rather have himself a big old bowl of cottage cheese and a thing of string cheese. That is his go-to snack. So I get them for my son and make sure that my son always has cottage cheese and string cheese around. I mean, it's healthy. I would much rather prefer him grab this stuff than just about anything else he can grab. Alright guys, I've got more. Hang on. Next thing I got was this giant package of ground beef. It is 6 pounds for $20. I paid $3.99 a pound for it. For us, this one here is going to be turned into hamburgers. And then back here, behind it, I have a big roll. It's 10 pounds. And I paid $31 for the 10 pounds. But this one will be used for like meatloaves and hot dishes and spaghettis and things like that. Just because it is a little bit fattier. And we prefer the nice red, more meaty hamburger for our burgers. So this one is, yeah, the fattier stuff and we'll use it for hot dishes and stuff. You can see the fat marbled throughout here. This is beautiful. For me, this is going to make perfect meatloafs. Alright guys, I got more. Next thing, and for us, one of the most important, veggies. I got 2 big 5-pound bags of mixed vegetables. I paid $5.99 a bag for these. My dog says hello. These are Watts Brother Farms, and they're organic. We love this particular brand. It's our go-to vegetable from Costco. And for us, if I put this in the oven with a little bit of that Kerrygold butter and some honey, I can guarantee my son will always eat his veggie mix. So for us, making sure my son gets his vegetables down is very important. Alright guys, I got more. And last but certainly not least, red potatoes. These are 10-pound bags that I paid $4.99 for. Red potatoes are our favorite. I use them for everything. Everything. Potato salad, mashed potatoes, oven fried potatoes. I mean, shepherd's pie. I mean, pretty much anything I use potatoes for other than baked potatoes. You gotta have an Idaho potato for a baked potato. We all know that. But red potatoes are my go-to potatoes. And at $4.99 for 10 pounds, I grabbed 2 bags. Alright guys, that was my haul. It was a small haul this month, but we were just catching up on some of the things that we ran out of over the holiday season. Alright guys, thanks for coming along, and we'll see you in the next one. And remember everyone, stay positive.